Hello guys, my name is Rico Arya Sena Wijaya, and in this video I will demonstrate how to design a database for an invitation management system for my Meet exam. I will create by my SQL in localhost phpMyAdmin in here. So we will go through the process step by step for creating the database for uh, e-invitation management system, from writing SQL queries for data manipulation and generating report. So first of all, I would like to make some new database. I will name it as a e-invitation. E-invitation DB. Okay, I'm using phpMyAdmin for this demonstration. I will name the database invitation DB and click create or buat ya. I'm really sorry because I use bahasa in my SQL, but I think it's okay. Okay, we have the new database invitation DB, and then we will create the necessary table for our database. I will use SQL. Sorry. Okay, here I will type the code. Maybe I will speed up the video when I type this, so the video is not.
Too long.
So I have created the table for this database. So this is the table of user table. It store user information such as name, email, and password. And then this is invitation table. The invitation table which store event details like title, and then owner name, and then date and location and the time. And the last table is guest table, contain guest detail including their attendance status, if they will be attend or not, or cannot make a decision yet. Okay, so after we make the SQL, we will send. We will click here. Okay, and the table is have successfully created. We can check in here in the structure that we have some three tables in here that we have create. Okay, now we back to the SQL, and we will inserting dummy data or sample data. Okay, I will. Okay, insert into user, and then I will insert the name, email, and the password like this. Okay, and we insert the data that we want to add into the table. Like here I will add Coco, and then sorry, like this, and then the email. Okay, and then the password. Maybe we make a simple has password, as password 123. Okay, like this. Okay, and I will create the second data. Maybe Budi. No, Habil. Maybe Habil and Habil. Habil dot example dot com like this. Okay, then hasset password 456. Okay, here I have add to user, into user, their name, their email, and their password. That is Coco and Habil, ya. Okay, next I will create a sample invitation from different wedding events. Okay, insert into invitation, user ID, judul undangan tadi ya, judul undangan, nama pemilik, tanggal acara, lokasi, dan tema, dan status kayak gini. Oke, and values. Oke. Now we are gonna. Okay. Now we are gonna. Aduh, kepencet anjir. Shit, man. Okay, I'm really sorry cause I accidentally closed the SQL. Okay, I think I have a problem with this, but it's okay. I will continue to write this code. Okay, so here I have make data for our table. In here I insert into user, for a user that using our application Coco and Habil, and then I make a data for the invitation table. That is the table that have some details on the wedding, like like the name of the owner, and then the date, and then the location, and then the time, and then the last data is the guest, yeah. Okay, so I was have some error in this line, but it's already done. I don't know, so let us try to make this. Where is the ah we have success to make the data, so we can check in the structure in here that we have some data. We will check one by one. For the guest table, we have two data, and then Rina, and then we will check the invitation. We have some data for the two of the wedding, Coco and JJ, and Habil and Citra wedding, and then for the last data is the user data. We have two users, ya. Okay, next we will running the CRUD operation, create, read, and uh, update and delete. We will go to the SQL again. So this is query retrieve all user from the database. We will remove this like this. Okay, select from user, and I will updating the status of the second invitation from draft to publish. We can check in here that uh, we have before the status of the second invitation is still draft. Where is it? Where is it? Here, the second invitation for Hamil and Cerita Wedding is still draft for the status. So we will update to publish. Okay, I think. uh, okay, select from user, and then I will updating the data. Update from invitation, set status is publish ya, publish, and where ID. This one is for declare that we want the data that updated is with the ID is 2, and then we send it. Okay, it already done, and we can check to the structure in here. We go to the invitation and check that Habil Citra wedding, the status is update to publish. Okay. Okay, next after update the data, I will delete the data. Let me check in here the back to the database and then go to the SQL again. And then I will delete from guest. I will remove a guest from the invitation list ya. Guest where invitation ID is 1. Okay, I think I will remove Andy and email tamu sama dengan Andi at email.com like this. Yeah. Okay. Go. Okay, there is some error. I will check to the guest table before and check the invitation ID is 2 and is 1. Okay. Okay, let me check again to the SQL. From this where invitation ID is an email tamu and the email.com ya. Try again. Is there a problem with it? Invitation. Let me check again, guys. Invitation. Do I have some typo or what? Oh, okay. I have found some error that in the table for the invitation ID is not using S ya. I using S. So actually it's some typo. We will remove the S and then back to the table again and back to the SQL again, and we try again to remove Andy. Okay, it's already deleted. We can check to the structure and then go to the guest, and Andy have already delayed. Okay, Next, I would like to generating some report with join queries, yeah. So we go back to the database again and then go to SQL, and I will type the code. Maybe I will skip this. Okay, so here we have inserted data that display a table like this, yeah, for the uh, report with join queries. I think it should be two of events, yeah. Let me check again to the structure. Yeah, it should be two even, but it just show one even, so I will check again the code. Maybe I was typo again. Okay, so I have checked the code and it will show just one even because I have delayed Andy from the database. So I will make Andy again. I will add Andy again to the database, yeah. Um, okay. No, no, no. I will add Andy and Rina. Is there a problem with this? Okay, sorry guys. Okay, we have add Andy again to the database, and we will check the report, yeah, the generating report. It should be show to events because now we have Andy. Okay, it's have to event again Goku and JJ, and the name of the guest is Andy, and Habil Cita, the name of guest is Rina. Okay, so the last thing is I would like to show you the ERD or entity relationship diagram. To visualize our database relationship, I use the designer tool in my PHP MyAdmin. Here you can see the connection between the table. You can go in here, yeah, in the PHP MyAdmin. You can go to this icon and then there will show a designer. Nah, you can check here the three table of our database, the invitation, user, and guest, and here's the data inside the tables, and here's the entity relationship diagram. And if you want to make entity diagram not in PHP admin, you can manually make in the maybe like Lucidchart, and then in the DB diagram on or Draw.io. But if you want to automate, just use PHP admin or use your MySQL. Okay, so in this video, we have already the database for our invitation DB that we can use for our application. Uh, we have designed a database for an invitation management system. We create the tables, insert the sample data, perform create, read, update, and delete operation, and generate report using SQL queries. I hope this tutorials maybe helps you, not tutorials. I hope this task maybe help you and understand the database process design. Thank you for watching. I'm Rico Resenap, and this is for my mid exam. Thank you.